Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need a few essentials before you capture: battery power, storage space, and the right input method. First, confirm your model's shortcut. Many Samsung phones use Power plus Volume Down. Older models may use Power plus Home or Bixby plus Power. Once done, enable Palm Swipe or Assistant Menu in Settings Accessibility if you prefer gestures. Now take your first screenshot by pressing the shortcut firmly or swiping your palm. This creates the image and opens the editing toolbar so you can act. Once your screenshot appears, use the on-screen toolbar to crop, annotate, or add text. These edits are non-destructive until you save. For long web pages or chats, use scroll capture. Tap the scroll icon quickly and repeat until the full content is captured. This stitches images automatically. After editing, tap Save, then share directly from the toolbar or open Gallery to use the share sheet. Make sure to select the proper app and confirm recipients, because sharing sends a copy of the file immediately. To finish, save changes and locate your image in Gallery under Album Screenshots or check Files Pictures Screenshots. Once saved, enable Samsung Cloud or Google Photos auto-sync to backup captures automatically, ensuring you don't lose them. If screenshots fail, troubleshoot. Restart the phone, free at least 100 MB of storage, and verify shortcut or gesture settings in Accessibility and Advanced Features. If problems persist, toggle the feature off and on. This often resolves conflicts between gestures and apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.